Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today I'm starting again lectures because a lot of time passed and I cannot do listening. So today my topic is ionic bonding. This is ionic bond between sodium and fluorine. This is sodium atom blue one having 11 electron, so you can count blue dots 2 plus 2 plus 2 6 plus 2 plus 2 10 and 1 blue circle is 11 and fluorine is 9, so you can count red circles 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 8 and 1 more 9. So this is sodium fluorine atom. These are the electrons of sodium and fluorine. Then sodium loses one electron and give that blue one to fluorine, red and blue electron of fluorine, because previously it is unpaired, fluorine is unpaired and sodium also unpaired, but sodium has one electron in outermost shell while fluorine has 7 electrons in outermost shell. So that one electron of sodium lost and that electron moves toward fluorine. By losing electron, sodium become positive. So you can see within bracket positive sign, positive charge, and fluorine gains one electron. So by gaining electron, fluorine become fluoride. Now it is sodium ion and fluoride. Sodium and fluorine atoms undergoing a redox reaction to form sodium fluoride. What is redox? Redox is a combination of reduction and oxidation. Reduction is gaining of electron and oxidation is losing of electron. Sodium undergoes oxidation because it loses electron and fluorine gains electron, that is reduction. Sodium loses its outer electron to give it a stable electron configuration and this electron enters the fluorine atom exothermically. Exothermically means heat is evolved, released by doing this. The oppositely charged ion, typically a great many of them, are then attracted to each other to form a solid. Means sodium by losing electron, sodium ion, and fluorine by gaining electron become fluoride. So sodium and fluoride attracted together and form sodium fluoride solid. Ionic bonding is a type of chemical bonding. Ionic bonding is a type of chemical bonding that involves the electrostatic attraction. What is electrostatic attraction? Sodium ion positively charged and fluoride is negatively charged. The attraction between two opposite charges, and it is very strong, so it is electrostatic attraction and it binds sodium and fluoride ion. Ion is the primary interaction occurring in ionic compound. It is one of the main type of bonding along with covalent bonding. As we have discussed covalent bonding, it is the sharing of electron between atoms. And metallic bonding, ions are atom or group of atoms with an electrostatic charge. Metallic bonding we will discuss later in separate lecture. So atoms that gain electron make negatively charged ion. Anions are negatively charged ion by gaining electron become negative. Atom that lose electron make positively charged ion called cations. Cations are positively charged. In case of this bonding, sodium is cation and fluoride is anion. This transfer of electron is known as electrovalence. Electron in valence shell involved in bonding. That's why the word is used, electrovalence. In contrast to covalence, in the simplest case, the cation is a metal atom and the anion is a non-metal atom. Cation usually metal and anion non-metal. So the bond between metal and non-metal is ionic bond. This is one more definition of ionic bonding. But these ions can be of more complex nature. Example, molecular ion like ammonium ion or sulfate ion. This is also ionic bonding. Ammonium ion and sulfate ion combine together and form ammonium sulfate. In simpler words, an ionic bonding results from the transfer of electron from a metal to a non-metal in order to obtain a full valence shell for both atoms. This is ionic bond between sodium and chlorine. The upper top left is sodium and the down is chlorine. By losing electron, sodium become corner right upside picture, and the down is chloride by losing electron. This is also one more. This is lithium, because 2 plus 1 3 electron of lithium. That one electron in outermost shell move toward another. It is, you can count, 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 7 plus 2 9, means it is fluorine, lithium and fluorine. So lithium fluoride is formed. This is lithium and this one is fluorine.